Despite being inexpensive today, did you know that sugar was once reserved for the extremely wealthy? Sugar is probably one of the most common and well-known food ingredients. Historians believe that the first species of sugarcane to be domesticated was Saccharum officinarum in New Guinea. However, it has been suggested that additional species may have been domesticated at approximately the same time in areas such as India and Indonesia. In fact, the first definitive written record of sugar production occurs in a Hindu religious document called the Discourse on Moral Consciousness. Historians also believe that Arabic farmers improved upon the Indian techniques for cultivating sugarcane and producing sugar. Arabic merchants are thought to have then introduced sugar to Europe between 700 and 900 AD. It's interesting to note that because of its great expense and rarity, sugar would have been used exclusively as a spice or condiment in cooking at this time. In other words, it would have been used to subtly change the flavor of a food, rather than outright plainly sweetening it. It should go without saying that modern consumers also enjoy sugar, although it is much more common and much less expensive, which has led to occasional overindulgence. Our desire for sugar runs all the way from ancient history to the modern day, and manufacturers continue to innovate to meet our sweet expectations. For more information, please visit sunup.okstate.edu or fapc.biz.